This video covers Section 4, Part 1, Working with Amazon SQS Messages. Let's walk through the life cycle of an Amazon SQS message. First, a producer sends a message to the SQS queue. Amazon SQS redundantly stores the message across multiple Amazon SQS servers. Next, a consumer retrieves the message from the queue, and Amazon SQS starts the visibility timeout period. During the visibility timeout period, no other consumers can pick the message up from the queue. Then, the consumer processes the message and then deletes it from the queue during the visibility timeout period. Note that if the message is not processed and deleted from the queue before the visibility timeout period expires, another consumer might pick up and process the same message. You can perform these actions with the send message, receive message, and delete message API calls, either programmatically or from the Amazon SQS console. A variety of configuration options affect cost, message processing, and message retention. This slide illustrates how you might use the AWS command line interface, also called the AWS CLI, to call the send message operation. The send message operation delivers a message to a specific queue. The message body, which is the message to send, is a required parameter, and its maximum string size is 256 kilobytes. The queue URL is the URL of the SQS queue where a message is sent, and this parameter is required. Optionally, you might also include message attribute and delay seconds. After you send a message, the Amazon SQS response includes a Message Digest Algorithm 5, or MD5, digest of the message body string, which you can use to verify that Amazon SQS received the message correctly. The response also includes a system-assigned message ID, which is useful to identify messages. Additional elements might be included in the response depending on the message parameters and the type of queue. By using the receive message operation, you can retrieve one or more messages, up to 10, from the queue. You set the number of messages you want to retrieve by using the max number of messages parameter. Amazon SQS responds with a message or messages depending on the max number of messages that you set in the receive message command, as well as the number of records currently in the queue. For each record in the messages response, Amazon SQS returns a receipt handle for that message. This handle is associated with the action of receiving the message, not with the message itself. If you receive a message more than once, you get a different receipt handle each time you receive it. You need the receipt handle to delete the message or change its visibility in the queue. Immediately after a message is received using the receive message operation, Amazon SQS sets a visibility timeout. The visibility timeout is a period during which other consumers cannot receive and process the message. Before the visibility timeout expires, the consumer is expected to process and then delete the message from the queue. Amazon SQS doesn't automatically delete the message because, as a distributed system, there's no guarantee the consumer actually received and handled the message. For the duration of the visibility timeout, Amazon SQS temporarily stops returning the message as part of any receive message requests. This visibility timeout defaults to 30 seconds. The minimum is 0 seconds, and the maximum is 12 hours. You can use the visibility timeout parameter on the receive message operation to modify the visibility timeout for a receive message request. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.